It's the happy season and the shopping season. We are at Palace Mall to check the prices of their sound systems and televisions for the brands that they offer here. All the brands we'll be checking have some sort of promo going on. Looks like I've got my work cut out for me, so let's start with Samsung. This is a 32-inch TV going for 2,799 Ghana cedis. The dollar conversion for that is $250.
This is the price.
This is 5,300, but with the promo, we are running promo, so it's 4,500.
Okay, what's the promotion?
And this is also 43 inches, but the price is 5,499 Ghana cedis because this is smart and the other one is not. This is a 50-inch Samsung TV, and from here on out, all the televisions are smart. If it's not, I will indicate. The price for this is now 6,999 Ghana cedis. That converts to about $630. And next to it is this 55-inch, which is going for 7,999 Ghana cedis. The price for this is now 10,999 Ghana cedis, and it's a 65-inch UHD. This is QLED, which I think means better display quality. It's the same price as the 65-inch, but this is 55 inches. Okay, so this is the 65-inch of the QLED display, and the price is a little bit higher here. It's going for 14,499 cedis. Who needs therapy when you have 75-inch TV, huh? The price here is 22,999 cedis. Now, if the 75 is not solving your problems, you can go for this 85-inch Samsung TV, which is discounted to 44,999 Ghana cedis. For the Samsung sound systems, I didn't see any of their sound bars here, but they have these speakers. So for the smaller one, the price here is 5,399 Ghana cedis, and the bigger one is 8,299 Ghana cedis. The other brands had more options for sound, so don't worry, we'll see more of that soon. Now moving on to TCL. This is a 55-inch TCL TV, and the price is now 5,499 Ghana cedis. Next to it is the same 55-inch but better quality, and the price is 5,799 cedis. And this is their version of the QLED display, which is now going for 7,499 Ghana cedis. And for their sound systems, this TCL soundbar is going for 2,699 Ghana cedi. That converts to about $240. And this is the woofer for that. Now the price for this soundbar is 4,799 cedis. This is the woofer for that too. But the TV, this is knocking out the Samsung 85-inch TV, both in price and in size. This is 98 inches. The price is 29,999 Ghana cedis. Okay, now let's move to LG.
So this LG, 49 inches.
49.
Yeah.
And the
It's
price
8,000.
8,000. Okay.
This is 43 inches.
43. It's
Yeah.
smart.
No, this was yeah, smart. Sorry.
It's smart.
And this is the normal one.
Okay. The price is
48.
Okay, now.
This is not smart.
Okay, that's
4.5.
4.5. Okay.
This is UHD and the price is 8,500 Ghana cedi. The size is 55 inches. This is also a 55-inch LG TV, now going for 12,000 Ghana cedis. Here, the soundbar is going for 4,800 Ghana cedis. Yes, it's LG. But this one is 2,300 Ghana cedis, and the TV, which is 65 inches, is 12,000 Ghana cedis. And here are the artwork TVs. Let's start from the corner. It's a 65-inch at 19,000 Ghana cedi, and the biggest one out of the three here is 86 inches. The price for that is 33,000 Ghana cedis. In the middle is a 75-inch, and the price is 23,000 Ghana cedis. The price for this one is a whopping 95,000 Ghana cedis. This is actually my favorite LG TV, the OLED. It doesn't really help that the price is in a whole league of its own, but let me show you how thin this TV is, like paper thin. Okay, maybe not paper thin, but you get what I'm saying. Okay, let's continue with the normal ones. The price for this 55-inch is 22,000 Ghana cedis. This is OLED too. And this LG soundbar is 6,800 Ghana cedi. They have more variety in their X boom range. This is 4,800 Ghana cedi. And this big boy is going for 13,000 Ghana cedis. This is their small party speaker going for 6,300 Ghana cedis. This 3-piece sound system is going for 9,000 Ghana cedis. This set is now 5,800 Ghana cedis. The soundbar alone here is 5,000 Ghana cedis. And this is their 7-piece audio player set going for 5,800 Ghana cedi. There's a 7-piece set as well, but the price is lower at 3,700 Ghana cedi. This portable Bluetooth speaker is 2,400 Ghana cedis. Even more options. This cute little one by AV Crowns is 400 Ghana cedis. And this is by Sony. It is now going for 3,300 Ghana cedi, which converts to about $270. And this heavy duty party speaker is 9,500 Ghana cedis. These are all AV Crowns. The price for this is 1,500 Ghana cedis. This is 950 Ghana cedi, and this third wheel is 1,000 Ghana cedis. Okay, this this will do it for today's shopping video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.
Oh,